In electrochemistry, there are a lot of either-or choices you have to keep straight. Positive or negative, cathode or anode, reduction or oxidation. What order do I write the cell in? Here are ways to keep those straight. First, suppose I have zinc and copper. Which one is going to be the reduction? You write the reduction from the table for both of them, and you compare the voltages. The higher number wins, and by win, I mean wins the electrons. If copper and zinc are in a tug of war for electrons, the copper will win. So this is the actual reduction. This is written as a reduction, but it actually has to happen backwards because the zinc is getting oxidized. Next, is reduction at the cathode or the anode? Reduction is at the cathode, oxidation at the anode. R and C are consonants, O and A are vowels. So the copper is being reduced at the cathode. The zinc is being oxidized at the anode. Next, how do I write out the electrochemical cell notation? We always put the anode before the cathode, A before C, alphabetical order. You write the metals or solids on the outside. The ions are closest to the middle in the salt bridge. In the weird case where you have multiple ions in the same half cell, put them in the order they appear in the table, left to right, separated by commas. Next, what about an actual battery? The bump is the positive end. Is that the anode or the cathode? It's the cathode. You can imagine this always being oriented this way. And we know it's the cathode because the positive is where current comes out and electrons go in. Blame Benjamin Franklin, he had a 50-50 chance he guessed wrong. Anyway, electrons go into the positive end, and electrons get consumed in the reduction reaction, and reduction is the cathode, so the positive end is the cathode.